Umwanju muriri no gosemeri kwanena nigo endete gutwara ritiko riao ria chumaine ligia ritabwati biruko nyobinde byonse karo cyaragire Chinsa na Ibere cyabono basochinga kingo kwari ne SMS yitu ya mwana Amayia erinda kumaina rande gwateka ime na isiko ya Gusii chitariki ninye umudinyo gatano na kabiri mwaka ujirubere ntemeron kebere nesato karabana kwatena kurera chinga kichao cyabenra Amayia ali atekire kurumo chairi anyusugusu amo nabosongo na manga ndao karakana imena isiko ya Gusii yone chinga kichaben koko yale terora manya na radiali agendete ko karakana asense meli ya kerijo kubatkana no basukano rio karakanta sense meli ya rundiani ni gobono abarai na abarai bechikanisa bara sense meli yanene asokoremia nagosaba nyasaye ndanyarga koremia tia matchirjanya tigo siri abamwabo kubatkana no basukano rio karakante asense meli baigo asiritukura rero Muraibuense Dr. William Ruto ni gaikirana asogoteaniwa kwa bariki bapotambe babere asijiwisara asense yeito ya Kenya. Boigo kubatikana n'umusagano uri okoretwe ne kiama kya UDA abiritukire wala sense ya musocho ni go baraye bande ababone byombe ababesokire na komoji nkwana anechiri abaraye bande bakwanta sense meyo karobara komoja mugabana bwe county ya Kisii Paulo Simba Arate ingati ya na kwale niri ase ekakerebosyo kokobole wenanje goikomwere kardo kwatena chosho Auta korwa sense meyo mundu wemanyererio abigari nyanja amene kibina gochira senjera yeriogi amone chibicha eriane Brighton Makori. Benadi Nyamwaro oyo kurukuruwase kiombe gya Jude Africa oyore Communication and Program Officer ni gobona nyarega komo chomo sankano korekane teritskure gorobwe kiama kya UDA asensemo ya mosojo korengana na Nyamwaro nigaterina abarai bari barenga sensemeli nigo batakwande chingwana cyarenge chokoreto marembe korende nigo yarakana ndebuna nigo bakwirigeri Amayia asateruna teribuya bono koreta siasa eranyare goturubani omugusii Nyamwaro boyo niga mubolirie omubunge onyaribali masaba Daniel Manduku ibuna anyare kakoteba bene na nigara sikiama kya UDA gose nigara sikiama UDA manene kararo kandebuna na igeta sensemeli na okona na gosanga na bali balengi gorwa sikiama kya UDA ayo na Nyamwaro kona garuko yaigwa asika kiribusyo
tokore siasa ere yo machoko siasa ere yo boronge yekene abantu bari bonse igo babangete Dr. Manduku ase birengere byane igabangete ngogoche kwa yegaria nabaruo yo mobo bwogochi go defect aso UDA agende koriye kero kyobo governor 2022 so a meeting ya igoro tindo jibantu bako ba registered gwetania ekero kwarego sabu no mogeni oli ikerie tari yao buna procedure ende yons ase mukutano nde bwenzi oswa igonko boria barai baito aso bwororo iga inga igo bachore twa abajumbe bons aso koreta magendero Gusii eria kabere mwanye Simba Arati oyo ngo susura na kwembora kera rituko basinye tukorosia a process na barabu yoko mwembora mbare gotumeke nchereria bagende gokwanero monta mangana otaiyo Kenya giga nande eritari erenjera bare korigia komoikeria mangana ayo ekiagera omugabana no monto monene museneta no monto monene nabachumbe nabantu abanene
ase chinga kiejejo berari Nyamwaro ibona gotaikorwa se kiombe kyo ya Jude Africa nigobona nyarire gakobori bari bakomoje mugabana bwe county ya Kisii Paulo Simba Arati gotumeka jinjera chingi ya soko moja ase yarokanira Nyamwaro oyo beire gakomoje mugabana bwe county ya Kisii ase bono yarokanibuna nigachakire kumwegerera korengana nigatena na bokomoje mugabana korende wikoma moje asenjera engia boyo nigamubulio mugabana Paulo Simba Arati kuimukira igoro ekiagera nigo yarokanibuna nsameli ende nigo yabugoriri amatimo.
Our critique should be positive. I don't critique Governor Simba. And I can tell you that in the 9 months I have been in these issues, you've been giving me these opportunities. I can attest that Simba has done now 1 or 2. One of which he has done are the bursaries, which we didn't have the last previous government and which were cancelled. And 2, there are a number of roads which are being done. I can attest and I'll give the copies which they have forwarded to me. And that does not mean that I have become or I'm supporting Simba authoritatively. I'm asking Simba that you have known now that the war has started. You need to pull up your socks, do what the members or the citizens of Kisii County voted for you to do. Ensure that you outsmart these people. And the members of parliament, it is too early. Get back to your platform and your areas of jurisdiction and ensure that you have done what the citizens engaged you by voting you into those positions.
Karibu tutigana na yu Nyamwaro ni ngoko ile mase moikase county ya Kericho sabarai abo bakorawa no mukonyi bo murai bwense rigatika shawa omonogari webunge enene Moses Gwetangura no muwasiri bo bosombi amonu bwaga chikibujumba murukameni amo nabarai kurwa CDO sigurwa stidini awo we kanisa nigo bara senseme ya Kericho anene karobanya arabako beka masabo anene go chiase chiama chidi chanyara chigo Syria go se abairi na basani asabiri banyara bago Syria bogima bwabo kubatkana basukano yo korekana sensemeri ya rondiani abasaba ntemeronge 5 na babere banyarde bago Syria bogima bwabo ase ensemeyu ati abari bakwane kurwa sensemeyu nigo bono banyarire bagwa chimya madiri cha Syria bamwabo go semeria ekero bakorawa na Reverend Patrick Cheruyot kurwa sensemeyu teturema kicheruyot anyara kakwa abugo semeria na maya.
Sio rahisi kuhubiri wakati kama huu. Najua ya kwamba mioyo yetu imehusunika sana. Kupoteza maisha sio kama kupoteza kitu kingine. Unaweza poteza mali, itarudi. Si ni kweli? Unaweza poteza hali, itarudi. Lakini kupoteza hii maisha ambayo tuko nayo sio kitu rahisi. Tukichumuika leo na tukiita Mungu atusaidie, sisi kama watu wa Kericho tumepigika sana. Mahali ajali imetokea ni mashariki ya Kericho. It is the gate, the east gate. Na ni mahali pia tunapoingia Kericho hii tunajifunia. Hapo ndipo tumepigwa. Lakini tumekuja kwa sababu tunaye Mungu. Amen. Na tunaye Mungu ambaye ni Mungu. Amen. Na hawezi kutuachilia. Amen. Atatushikilia, atatuneemesha na atatuwezesha. Tunataka kuambia familia ambao tunasimama na wao, hata kama tumekuja, kuna mahali hatutafika. Tunaweza kusema poleni, lakini kuna mahali hatutafika. Kuna nafasi ambayo itabaki ambayo ni ya Mungu peke yake.
Ekero tutugarete asensemeyu ensemeya Kericho nigo bona bamate babali banyara amakongo sebali banyara bago Syria bogima bwabo kubatikano basukano yo korekana asensemeya rondiane banyarire bakobole serikali aneko bekemero biri nako chikosira chiamate echiabali banyara bago Syria bogima bwabo kubatikano basukano yo.
I'm Faith. I lost my husband through the tragedy, but God is in control. I thank God he was saved, and he was going to look for kutafutia watoto in the morning. In fact, he knows you, Governor Kericho County. I have your photo with him, and I know we are going to be strong, and God will guide us.
Jambo tu moja ninaomba, kama ambaye ameafektiwa. Kuna watu ambao wameachwa na watu wao, na ninaomba tu wasaidiwa watoto wao wasome, kwa sababu huyo ndugu yangu alikuwa ameenda kutafuta lishe ya watoto wake.
Must do a dual carriage kutoka Nairobi mpaka kule Busia, sababu tumepoteza hapa pila hata pale kwetu tulipoteza juzi wanafunzi.
Zarome wairimu amo na ani njoki wa ng'ombe nigolitko liarero banyara bagotianiwa asensemeri ya State House erigo chikoira mabaga gosekoba aba likibabo tamba sijuisara ao asensemo ya serikali ya Kenya Kwanza. Wairimu nigo wanara chikoba asewisala ya Correctional Services asenchoki hawajikoba asewisala ya Performance Management and Delivery Services yere inse yobisi yomo Prime Cabinet Secretary tigatora ranga kibanyara bagotianirwa karwa gochikote abene bachakire mirimo una bakori mirimo be serikali anene asensemo ya oboriki wa botambe.
Of the two officials for appointment as principal secretaries in the government of Kenya as follows: Ms. Salome Wairumu Moya Biako as the principal secretary for correctional services, and Ms. Ann Joki Wangombe as the principal secretary for performance management and delivery services.
I, Salome Wairimu Moya Biako.
I, Ann Joki Wangombe, being called on to exercise the functions of Principal Secretary,
do swear that, except with the authority of the President, I will not directly or indirectly reveal the nature or contents of any business, proceedings, or document of the Cabinet committed to my secrecy,
except as may be required for the due discharge of my duties as such Principal Secretary. So help me God.
Murai bwenze Dr. William Ruto ibano ikirana sogotiani kwa bariki babotamba bwa sensemo ya State House nigobono ate abuna nena batako semeri na babira abumba chokore mirimo ya obuya eri kwimukira ibirengo bya serikali ya Kenya Kwanza.
As I have told you, you have gone through the process, and I'm very happy that today you join the team that is engaged in the transformation of Kenya on the platform of the bottom-up economic transformation agenda, which I am very clear that you understand. You have gone through the process. Many of you, we worked on the plan together to put it together. And the people of Kenya have very high expectations about the delivery of the plan. I am very confident that you have the requisite knowledge and understanding to assist your cabinet secretaries and to work collaboratively with your colleagues as we use the whole of government approach to deliver to the people of Kenya. As I have told you, I look forward to working with both of you as I work with the rest of the team in this very important and noble responsibility and duty given to us by the people of Kenya.
Asejinga kijejo Dr. William Ruto ni gababori babera abugo chikwena kibuna ngokora bare mirimo ya obuya nande ngorinda bare kibese cy'serikali goseni boye serikali buya iri bokorari okina as department ao se anene oyo chikora as obisi gose inse yobisi mu prime cabinet secretary asense me performance management and delivery services.
The State Department that we established at the Prime Cabinet Secretary's office is such that government can address itself to the issues of productivity and to the balance between salaries, wages on one end and development resources on the other end. You may want to know that at the moment we are spending about 46% of our revenues on salaries and wages. The law and best practice demands that we spend 35%. So we are 11% above what is recommended as best practice and what is stipulated in the laws of the Republic of Kenya. I do expect that your department will work with the Salaries and Remuneration Commission and all.
County ya Makweni ngati eji county rijigenda thego korabuya anene asugo sangirie bango unabo bisabe nseme bade buna ni obasangire kibeze kinyinge kiracho korobo koreri as a county ya Makweni.
In Makweni, though the country has had an economic downturn, we are trying to bring up our economic status. by first collecting our own source revenue and performing development projects as much as we can so that we can have impact on our citizens even as we serve them in the county. The area that has been majorly a contributor of our revenue is the market entry fee. We are looking at land revenue, and we are looking at A&A that we get from the hospital reimbursements. In the area of land revenue and market entry revenues and single business permits, we have had three interventions that have been helping the citizens pay. One, we were able to extend our deadline for payment according to our finance bill was 30th March, and we were being able to extend twice. This year we were able to extend
Umugavana we county ya Kakamega Fernandez Barasani gobona togirie team ya Kakamega Homeboys asoko enda okarabu ya sekimineno kia masalt bet cab ekenya rege gogosori gu asensemeyo asebabwete ababui boigo nigo Fernandez ateruna na ojikwene kuna ngosirare chigosori ase county eyo erikwene kuna ebyewa awo ngwene kiubire na bya kidinde ase county eyo ya Kakamega.
Management ya hii team na kama county ya watu commit ya kwamba tutaendelea kuwa support mashabiki wote wa Homeboys na waalika tukiwa na game hapa tukuje kwa wingi, na mimi nataka hii kikombe ya CAF ikuje hapa Kakamega, na kwa sababu tumedhihirisha wazi ya kwamba sisi ni washindi. Mulipiga Gor Mahia, mulipiga AFC, mulipiga Tusker.
Ngwa kirambia mono mwensi abumwereri barinu lya bene kuriria magana ya Chinsa Isano Ibere kuri nyina chikoragiza 10 migonyora yo mana mange kuruga Ndizi TV na ndete wateke minesko ya Gusii Shosho Auta ne twabotana kuri asensa mirimu rumanyereri apikari nyanja matwabotana na sekwene kwena malio ine chibi chago chira senjira bene na njina ya soma gocha ninje Brighton Makori.